Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to create secret folder in Windows 11. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To create a secret folder in Windows 11, follow these steps. Firstly, begin by right-clicking on your desktop or in the desired location where you wish to create a hidden folder, such as your preferred drive, from the context menu. Choose New, and then Folder. This action will generate a new folder or the default name, typically in your folder. Right-click on a newly created folder, and choose to click Rename from the context menu. Clear the existing name of the folder by pressing the backspace or delete key until it's empty. While holding down the Alt key, type 255 using the numeric keypad on the right side of your keyboard. Ensure numlock is activated. Release the Alt key. Now, this action will insert an invisible character as the folder name. Next, right-click on the invisible folder and choose Properties from the context menu. Within the Properties window, navigate to the Customize sub and click on the Change Icon button. Go for a blank or transparent icon from the provided list of icons. Alternatively, you can also use a custom icon file featuring a transparent icon. And that's it. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.